So this is a teacher video to help explain how you could possibly introduce Scratch to children at Year 1-2. I'm using Scratch 2.0 from the Scratch website, and just to give you a demonstration of what I'm hoping to do, I'm going to use the full screen icon here and click on my green flag. I've got a sprite talking and using think bubbles. I'm also hoping to show how you can use sound and possibly graphic effects too. Some children, you might go as far as actually showing them how to put an additional sprite on the screen and program how to actually get a conversation going between two sprites. Now, just to show you the code behind the little talk animation that I did there, I've got two sprites. Here's my dragon, and I'm basing it around when the green flag's clicked. It shows because it's hidden at the end. There's no particular reason for doing that. I'm making it say hello, wait a second, then think. Lots of waits in here. I've got it playing a sound, the meow, and a little bit further down I've got a graphic effect applied. On my unicorn, I'm simply getting him to hide to begin with, wait for 26 seconds, and then appear. So to show you how I could set something like that up, this project's available from Mr. Adams 8 on the Scratch site, by the way. From Scratch 2.0, I'm going to click File New, and I could actually use the code, program the code to the cat. It's automatically there, or I could delete the cat, and the first step may be to show the children how to actually choose a new sprite. And I'm going to choose the boy sprite here, and then I'm going to click OK. And as I'm using Scratch 2.0, he's there on the screen, ready to go. Scratch 2.0 is actually a little bit different to 1.4. The working window, the stage, is on the left hand side rather than the right hand side. So the first event, which is also a new tab for Scratch 2.0, is when the green flag's clicked, and I'm going to get our boy to say hello. Lots of fun to be had here with children. I'll give them plenty of time to acquaint themselves with actually getting their character to say different bits and pieces. And now I'm going to get him to say, my name is Ian, for 2 seconds, and I can test it out with the green flag. The wait command is another one to show them from the control menu. I actually got my dragon to make a sound. If you want your character to make a sound, first of all, you can click on sounds, and you can either record a sound or you can use one from the library. And I'm going to choose a human sound here, and I'm going to choose a sneeze. You can preview what the sounds sound like if you wish, and let's click OK. So I'm back to my programming interface here, and I'm going to go back to scripts, and I'm going to actually get him to say, oh no, I'm about to sneeze. And again, I'm going to put in another wait so that there's a pause. This is probably, once you've introduced to children how to say or think, you could offer the challenge of adding an additional sprite. This is, I would be introducing the sounds possibly as a second mini plenary or second introduction. And let's get Ian to play the sneeze sound. Here we go, let's see what happens. Hello, my name is Ian. Oh no, I'm about to sneeze. Great. And let's put in perhaps another wait, and let's make him say, this is just to introduce that graphic effect. Watch this. And again, maybe this isn't an aspiration for all children in the first lesson to do, but certainly some of the children will be keen to explore more. Let's put another wait in, and this time I'm going to go for looks, and I'm going to change, rather than the colour effect, I actually did the whirl effect. I'm going to put it by 300. Let's see what happens. Watch this. and he whirls. Now what I should really do at the end there is just put in on the looks to actually clear the graphic effect, which is just this one down here. But before I clear it, I probably want to wait a couple of seconds. Okay, thanks for watching.